morning. In my last video, my topic was on consumption function, right? Now today, I will teach you about saving function. Both consumption function and saving function are related to each other. We will be using consumption function in this saving function. All right. Now, before we go into this saving function, let us see this. What is this? This is income, right? This income is consumed as well as it is saved. So this is consumption and this is saving, right? Now it shows that both C and S depends on income. Or we can say consumption and saving are determined by income. All right. Now in consumption function, we have studied about this thing, consumption. All right. Now today's topic is about saving. We have to study about saving function. As I said, this saving, it depends upon income. Saving and income are positively related. It means what? When income is high, saving will also become high. All right? Okay. Now, we go for saving function. So the first topic in this is about saving function. Now, what is this saving function? Saving function means it is a functional relationship between saving and income. When we write this saving function, we write it like this. Saving is equal to function of income. Okay, so what is the saving function? It is the functional relationship between saving and income. All right. Now, when we say functional relationship, like in consumption function, same, it applies in this. Functional relationship means mathematical relationship or algebraic relationship. All right. Now we have an equation in this saving function. It is S is equal to, okay, negative S plus 1 minus by. All right, this is the saving function. We are expressing it in this form. Mathematical, or we can say algebraic presentation of saving function. Is that clear? So now regarding this, I will be talking more at the end of this video. Alright, so for the time being, we will see only the meaning of saving function. So again, what is the saving function? It refers to the functional relationship between s and y. Alright, so this functional relationship is, we are expressing the relationship between saving and income in the form of like this. Alright, okay. Now, I said consumption function and saving functions are related. Okay, now what I am going to do here is I will use the consumption function to get saving function. Is that clear? Okay, I will be using here the consumption function schedule in order to derive saving function schedule. Now, second topic in this is about saving function schedule. Now, what is this schedule? A table, right? Schedule is a table which expresses relationship between, when it is about saving function, so the relationship will be in between s and y, saving and income. Okay, now I said I will be using consumption function schedule here, and from it I will be deriving saving function. Alright? Okay. Now, this is the consumption function schedule which we have seen in my last video. Consumption we have taken sorry, 60 okay, so this is the consumption function schedule. Consumption function schedule. All right. Now, see this. I said before, income is consumed as well as income is saved. Okay. Now, we need to find out here saving. Now, we have to use this. All right. So, now see, y minus c, we will get saving. Right? So, the difference between these two, we will be getting saving. All right. Now, so how much it will be? That is 0 minus 20 minus 20, and here minus 10, 0, and here positive 10. So see here. Now what is this? Saving function schedule. All right. Now we need to observe this schedule and we'll list down certain observations from it. All right. So very simple observation we get from here. The first observation is y is 0 here. So when y is 0 here, what is this here? C is 20, it is given. Right. Now this C20 is above C, it is a bar. Right. And this one is what? Autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption. Right? Okay. Now what we have to see? We have to study the relationship between these two, right? So what is happening to saving? Saving is becoming negative here, which is minus 20. So when income is 0, what happens to the saving? Saving will become negative. All right. We can also call this saving, as autonomous saving. Is that clear? Okay. As above bar. This one is called as autonomous saving. What is this autonomous saving now? It means when income is 0, we are getting a negative saving. That is called as autonomous saving. All right? Okay. Second observation. What is the relationship between income and saving? Positive relationship. Positively related. Okay. It means what? Again, income increases, saving will also increase. All right? Okay. Third one is saving depends on income. It depends on income. Right? Saving will never be greater than income. This will not happen. Saving will never be greater than income. Saving is what? Saving is just a part of income. Okay, and we can make out from this schedule also. Right? Okay. So this is an observation which is drawn from this saving function schedule. All right. Now what is this saving function schedule? A table which expresses the relationship between y and s is called as saving function schedule. So what I have done here, I have used consumption function schedule, and with the help of it, I have derived saving function schedule. All right? Okay. Now next one will be diagrammatic. Okay. Presentation of this schedule, that is saving function schedule. So I will be using again this schedule to draw saving function diagram. All right. So we go for diagrammatic presentation. So it is a diagrammatic presentation. Now see here, we are getting a diagram like this. Okay, now saving, we can start. Right? Enough. Then we have negative. So now when income is 0, saving is minus 20. So income 0 minus 20. So we will write here 50, 100. Okay. Then it is 50 minus 10. Here 100 and 100. Okay. 150 and 40. So it will be here. Right. So what is this? Now this line is the saving line. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we will go for the description of this diagram. So the first description is on the OX axis, Y is represented and OY axis saving is shown. All right. Then saving line, which is this line. Okay. It starts from here minus 20, and this is what? This is autonomous saving, right? So this is autonomous saving, which means what? When income is 0, saving will become negative. All right. Okay. Second, we have, so look at this. So I'll give here B, point B. What it shows, this point B is the break-even point. Okay, it is what? It is break-even point. So I'll write here break-even point. What is happening here? So at this, S is equal to 0. Is it happening? See, this one, right? So what is happening to the saving? It is 0. When it becomes 0, when saving becomes 0, when Y is equal to C. So we have income 100 and consuming 100. So there will be no saving. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Then after this, what is happening? Saving line is crossing x-axis, right? What is happening? Saving line is crossing x-axis here. Alright, second observation. So in second observation, we are getting this. See here, break-even point. So what is this break-even point? What happens here at this point? So at this point, saving is becoming 0. So it happens when y is equal to c here. Third one, observation. Positive relationship. Saving and income are positively related. Right? So as the income is increasing, see here, as the income is increasing, what is happening? Saving is also increasing. Okay? Positive relationship. Now, fourth one observation we have is, which is very important observation, saving line so I'll rub this. Okay. Fourth observation. Saving line, that is this line, right? It is a straight line, okay? Saving line is a straight line. Remember, I said in consumption function also, consumption line is also a straight line, right? Now, straight line, it has a constant slope. Straight line has what? Constant slope. Now this S line, which is a straight line, is shown or indicated by this MPS. Alright, now what is this MPS? It is marginal propensity to save. In consumption function, I have said consumption line is also a straight line, and straight line has constant slope, and this constant slope, that is a straight line constant slope, is shown by MPC in consumption function. Whereas in this saving function, okay, straight line saving function or straight line saving line is indicated by this, and this is marginal propensity to save. Okay, so we can say here slope of S line, this line, all right, okay, S line, that is saving line, is equal to this MPS. So now we have to get this MPS constant. All right, okay, so MPS has to be constant. We can say here MPS, it has to be constant corresponding to different levels of income. All right? Okay. Now we will see whether we are getting MPS constant or not. Okay. Now we go for MPS. What is this? MPS. MPS meaning delta S, that is saving, upon delta Y. So what is this MPS? MPS is the ratio between these two. Change in income and change in saving is called as MPS. Is that clear? Usually, what this MPS shows? It shows that when there is a change in income, okay, there will be also a change in saving. This is MPS. If this one is changing, causing change in this, we have to see, okay, how much is the change in saving. So as I said before, in this, see here, S line, we are getting a straight line, right? Straight line, it has what? Constant slope. And this straight line constant slope is indicated by MPS. So MPS, how much we have to get? MPS, it has to remain constant. Is that clear? Okay? Okay. Now let us see whether we are getting a constant MPS or not. Alright. So again, I will be using the same schedule. Alright. And we will see, we will calculate MPS. So I've done it like this, Y and C, okay? So Y 0, 50, 150, C is 20, 60, 100, 140, saving we have minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10. This is the schedule, right? Okay. Now we go for MPS calculation. Alright. So for that we require initially change in Y, change in S. The same thing what we have done, what you have seen in consumption function. Same thing will go in this also. This will give us MPS, right? So I said again, MPS, it has to be constant. Now it's very easy. Change in income we have to see, right? So initially we can't go for change in income. The next one is, right, 50 minus 0. Then next one, 100 minus 50. Again 50 here. Here also 50. Now see this, change in S, saving. So initially this one, right, saving. So we'll not able to get any change in this, right? So we'll just keep it like this. All right. Now second one, see here, the difference between these two we have to take it. So see, change in S will be how much? Minus 10, right? Then minus the difference, right? And the sign is minus 20. So like this we are getting. All right. So will be 10 here. So here 10. Same case. Second one. We have 0 minus 10. That is 10. 10. So here also it is 10. Now MPS is change in S upon change in Y. So initially change in S is 52. Same it will come here, 0.2 will be 0.2. Alright, now see here, what is happening to MPS here? Constant. Right? It is a constant. Alright, now as I said, this MPS shows what it shows whenever there is, or we can say every time when there is a rise in income, similarly saving will also increase. But the way in which it has to increase is, it is given here 0.2. Okay, so what does it shows? Every time when there is a rise in income, a constant proportion of it, that is income, is converted into saving. Now in this, how much it is saved when income is rising? 0.2, which means what? 20%. Okay, 20% of income is saved when there is a rise in income every time. Alright, okay. So now see, MPC we are getting how much? 0.2. It remains constant. Such saving function is called linear saving function. I'll write it here. Linear saving function. Such saving function is called as linear saving function. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. So, this is the diagrammatic presentation of saving function and the description on it. All right? Okay. So again, in brief, what I have done is, using this schedule, calculation of MPS is done, and as per this description, describing about saving function being a straight line, and this straight line having constant slope, and this line, which is a straight line having constant slope, is shown by or indicated by MPS. So MPS has to be constant, right? In order to get a straight line saving line. Is that clear? Okay. Now, okay, fifth one, what is the shape of the saving line here? When we say positive relationship, upward moving, right? Upward moving straight saving line. And this upward moving shows the relationship, that is positive relationship between saving and income. All right? Okay,